Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quiche for the Grouch in Sims Freeplay. First, you need to find the Grouch in your town. They often appear in public spaces. Next, make sure your sim has a cooking skill of at least 2 stars to unlock the quiche recipe. Finally, ensure your sim's home has a functional stove and enough counter space for cooking. This specific task is crucial for completing certain quests and advancing in the game. Once your sim is ready, tap on any stove in their house. A menu will pop up showing all the recipes your sim can cook. Look for quiche in the list and select it. This action will initiate the cooking task, which typically takes a few hours of real-world time to complete. Make sure your sim is not busy with other long tasks, as this will pause their cooking progress. After selecting the quiche, a timer will appear above the stove. You'll need to wait for this timer to count down completely. Once it's finished, a green checkmark will appear. Tap the completed quiche on the stove to collect it. The quiche will then automatically be placed into your sim's inventory, ready for you to give to the Grouch. Don't forget this crucial step. With the quiche safely in your sim's inventory, find the Grouch once more. Tap on the Grouch and an interaction menu will appear. Choose the Give Quiche option to complete the task and satisfy the Grouch. This action often rewards you with simoleons or XP, helping your game progress. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for their comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.